Master Sherlyn, my mother always tell me, right, water is wealth. Is it true or not?
Well, Master Guo, means that time when, Singapore had the whole ponding incident, we had a lot of wealth.
Not like that, eh?
Well, a lot of shops lost money from, the ponding incident because of the floods, right? Yeah, but anyway, as with all things, where the water is very important. If it's in a good direction, it can be very beneficial. It could mean that you're very enthusiastic about things. It could mean that, you think into things very deep. But in the wrong positions, it can be very detrimental to your relationships. It can also be very detrimental to people who have heart issues, people who have issues with their eyes. So water can be wealth in certain situations, but in a lot of situations, water is actually not wealth.
I see. That's why I'm not wealthy enough. Okay, so if you want to understand more about house selection, do click on the link below to find out more. I'm Master Guo.
I'm Master Sherlyn.
See you in the next video. Bye.
Always remember, a professional feng shui master will not ask you to purchase any feng shui items.